all beginners, but never ever think that I'm not good at speaking, I'm not good at English or something like that. We are here, we all are here for enhancing our skill, but never ever think that you are not good at English. So mind it and never do it.
I got it.
Yeah. So how about you, Mr. Alom? What's your intention? Mr. Alom, are you there? Or probably he's muted. Probably he's a little bit busy. So it's your turn, Miss Saima.
What? What is your question?
Yeah, what's your intention for using this platform?
Well, my intention is to improve my English speaking fluency, and that is main reason I come here to practice English. You know, English is not our native language, so we need to practice. Anything what is not your native, you have to practice, right? So language is the same. English is not my native language, so I need to practice. That's it.
Oh, yeah, yeah, that's that's right. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's not our mother tongue or native language,
right,
but
right.
you
If
have to
you ask
know.
any American, if you ask any English spoken person, say something in Bangla, is it possible? No. So uh, so English is like that. It's a foreign language, and we unfortunately this is our international language. We need this language for our higher education or our career. That's why we need English. So as a foreign language, we should practice, and here my purpose is practicing English speaking basically. Reading and writing is okay, but since I speak in Bangla at home, so this is the platform I can practice with other people in English. That's why I come here.
Yeah, I got it. I got your point. Yeah, it's a global
Really
language.
interesting.
You have to
How
know.
to, Mr. Saima, how to improve your reading?
Reading, what I did, reading is very important, because if you read, you will have that confidence that you like. If you read one sentence, then you notice that sentence how it made, where it's verb, and where it's am, is, am, uh, I, you know what,
By,
is,
by the way,
are.
sometimes I have faced a difficult structure which I actually everything is I don't get what the meaning this structure.
Hmm.
So that's I think reading is very difficult for me. So how do you can overcome these difficulties?
Okay, so first, when I first started reading one book, I couldn't understand anything. Oh my god. Each sentence I had to see the meaning. Few words I don't know, few words I don't know. But what I did, okay, it's new thing. Just read. Okay, first page I read, then second page read, then I stopped reading. Again I start from the beginning. I read. So I started understand a little bit, and again I read only two pages. Again I start, and third time I started understand more than before. Okay,
I,
so if you
yes,
read
yes, I
more,
understand your summaries.
if you read more and every day, 2 3 pages, 2 3 pages, and after 1 week you will see you can
I read
concentrate.
I read a lot of, but I don't. Sometimes I face some vocabularies which I don't see again before. So
Mhm.
it's more. It is major difficulties for me. But I have synonyms. So I think the
Yeah,
is for
yeah,
future.
that's good. So in books, they use some difficult words, and
Now I am and I
books sentences are not for our speaking spoken sentence, because
since
if you use hard words in your while you are talking, you are using very hard difficult words, and the other person, he will not understand what are you saying. Then the conversation will not go further. He will feel
since
bored. I don't understand what he is saying. But if you use very simple words in simple sentence
but
for conversation,
preparing IELTS, so I always pop up and I now I am people, so that's why I have
do
to
that.
solve this. There are many difficulties, structure and synonymal phrases, and that's why I am terrible.
Okay, okay, I got it. Okay, for you, okay, that would be good if you learn new words, if you use those words. Hmm.
Are you read before Cambridge books?
No.
It's more difficult. A lot of paraphrases, these phrases. Uh,
Hmm. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, I think you are preparing very good. You are studying hard. I am feeling that.
yes, yes. I lot of study, but I cannot get my I cannot overcome this situation. So I hope one day I will overcome this situation.
Inshallah. It takes time. It will not come like within few days. It will take time, no problem. Inshallah, keep going, and study. Yeah, one day you will be overcome.
Keep you me, keep you me
Inshallah.
with fire.
Yeah, yeah, inshallah. No, I noticed you are studying very well. Your English, you are doing little mistakes, but you are doing good.
But my speaking is very bad, but my writing and also listening is very good. And
Mm,
now I have lot of taste in my Cambridge book in listening. I
mm,
always I always correct 35 or 32 around, nearly, that's it. But my
mm,
speaking is not well, so that's why I joined this platform. If
mm.
I don't mind speaking,
How much time you spend here?
I spend one. I always try to spend 2 or 3 hours, but I could not eat. But at least I always try to 1 hours this platform.
Mm,
But yeah,
okay.
before I continue it, now I wish to I continue always if happen anything bad or something, but I always try to focus this.
Yeah, yeah. Every day, like you are busy one day, just come here for 10 minutes. That
Okay,
will
okay,
also
just a few minutes. I have
mm,
urgent call.
okay. So, Mr. Rahmat, Misbauddin, and mm, mm,
There is new member joined in this group. We have to talk with
yes,
him.
yes, Mr. Muhammad or Islam. What's his name?
It is written by Arabic
Alaikum.
language.
Hi, my name is Saiful Islam.
Yes,
So, brother, where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
And
his
what
name
is
is
your name?
Saif al Islam.
হ্যাঁ, আমাকে চিনেন আপনি?
No.
Hi
আচ্ছা।
guys, today I will not continue again. I will leave this platform.
Mm. Okay, okay.
Mr. Mahfouz, your speaking level is very well, mashallah. I have no time, mashallah.
I will leave this. Everyone, pray for me.
Yes, yes.